Welcome to the front of me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have not installed by default the AID feature, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now let's open the Play Store, and here in the search pool we should enter the MuvizEdge. And now we should get this application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app and tap to draw over apps. Then find here the MuvizEdge application and click once on the footer. After that, go back to the application. Here tap to always on display and select one from the available tabs. Then just tap to apply, and after that just lock the device. Tap twice on the power key, and now we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.